Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can check your web history on Kik Messenger. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open the Kik app on your phone. After you do so, what you need to do is click on your profile on the top right hand side. The next thing you want to do is scroll a bit down and you will find your web history. Go ahead and tap on your web history. After a while, you can see some of the recently used web history. So you can open in browser option and you can see this is your web history. If you want to discover more web pages, just go ahead and tap on it and you can see some of the things which you can explore in this. So I hope this video about how you can check your web history on Kik was helpful for you, because you can find the things which you have used and you can go back and reuse it once again, which will save your time and it will help as well. So guys, it's quite easy and helpful. Click on your profile, go to your history and you can see some of your history. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.